Hello Steamians and DTube fans, welcome to another episode of BygdaTV. Bygda meaning village in Norwegian language. Just in case you don't know, I'm using my Steemit account to record daily life in the village that I live called Balestrand, located on the beautiful Sognefjord in western Norway. Presented in English from the perspective of a foreign person moving to Norway. And today it is an absolutely beautiful sunny day, a Sunday, and so I've decided to go on one of the walks that we have here behind my house. There's a fantastic forest, and some guy called Jørgen over the last 30 years has gradually made paths here called sti. S-T-I means a path through a forest. And what people don't realize about Norway is that all the mountains here in Norway are actually privately owned. Yes, they actually own the mountains, which means that these walks that I go on are actually on private land. However, the landowners are quite happy for you to walk on these paths as long as it's outside of their main farming area, where it will be marked with a fence, and that's called utmark, which means out of the mark, or out of the mark of the border of where they keep the sheep and so on. So you're allowed to walk there, but still you have to show respect for the property, of course. And usually when it's sunny like this, the local Balestrand people in the village go out walking on these paths, so it wouldn't be surprised if I bump into someone today. So what I thought I'd do is just do some filming of some of the kind of nice spots that I like here on this particular walk behind my house. It's about an hour's walk and it's enough for me. I love the nature, but I'm not one for going way up onto the top of the mountain. I have to be really motivated to do that. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm also on this walk, you get some fantastic views of the village itself. So I'm going to film that so you can actually see how the village looks on the Sognefjord area. So that's what I'm going to do today. Hope you enjoy that, and hope you have a nice Sunday. Welcome back again on another episode of BygdaTV. Bye for now.
stay with you, stay